All right, let's just dive right into this explainer because we are going to uncover how you can completely bypass those insanely expensive premium SEO tools. And the crazy part? We're going to do it using a hidden cheat code you literally already have access to. Look, if you're working on websites, you know that keeping a pulse on your technical health is absolutely vital. But let's be honest, the traditional ways of doing this, they can be incredibly draining on your time and, honestly, your budget.
So I really want you to ask yourself right now, are you frustrated by the constantly rising costs of SaaS tools? If you are managing growing sites, you're probably dealing with super strict crawl limits, or you're spending hours doing this tedious, mind-numbing manual entry just to check basic technical SEO signals. It kind of feels like you're constantly hitting these artificial roadblocks, right?
And there is just a massive contrast between these two worlds. On one side, you've got these rigid, costly tools pulling money out of your pocket every single month, all while dictating exactly how many URLs you're actually allowed to check. But then, on the other side, you have the totally limitless, completely free environment of Google Sheets. It's just sitting right there in your browser, waiting to be automated.
So here is our game plan. We'll look at the true cost of SEO audits, reveal the Google Sheets cheat code, walk through extracting your sitemap, show you how to automate the full audit, and finally, use AI to write custom scripts.
Starting with Part 1, the cost of SEO audits. Let's talk about breaking those limits.
The ultimate roadblock is this number, 500. Now, tools like Screaming Frog are fantastic. They really are. But they cap you at just 500 URLs on their free tier. And unless your website is literally just a homepage and a picture of your cat, that simply isn't going to cut it. You're immediately forced into premium tiers just to get a basic health check on your own data.
Moving to Part 2, the Google Sheets cheat code. Let's unlock your hidden weapon.
Enter Google Apps Script. Now, this is a free, cloud-based scripting language that is attached directly to your Google account. It runs entirely in the cloud, right inside your workspace. And here is the absolute best part about all of this. You don't need a single ounce of coding experience. None. This is purely a copy, paste, and automate kind of engine.
As our sources brilliantly point out, this whole process is not about going back to school to become a developer or trying to learn Python from scratch. It is just about getting the results you need, effortlessly. You essentially become a copy and paste developer, just taking scripts built by other people to totally automate your workflow. Let's hit Part 3, extracting your sitemap. This is where we start pulling live data.
The setup for this is brilliantly simple. We are talking 4 clicks. You type sheets.new into your browser, go up to Extensions, click App Script, paste in a sitemap extraction script, and hit Run. Boom. That's it. You are now pulling live data from the web straight into your spreadsheet faster than you can even say crawl budget.
And what happens next is practically magic. This script effortlessly clears out any old data and instantly loads your complete roadmap of URLs directly into column A. You have completely bypassed all those manual exports, the messy CSV cleanups, and the totally unnecessary formatting headaches.
All right, Part 4, automating the full audit. Time to scale up operations. By layering on a few more of these copy and paste scripts, you can rapidly scale up your operations. You can run over 15 automated SEO checks all at the exact same time. We're talking about checking HTTP status codes to hunt down broken pages, validating your H1 tags, ensuring your HTTPS protocols are locked in, checking for self-referencing canonicals, and spotting any accidental no-index directives. All of this is running side by side straight inside your spreadsheet.
Now, let's be real for a second. We do have to acknowledge a real-world constraint here. AppScript does have a free 6-minute execution limit per run. So what happens if your site has way over 500 URLs and the script just times out? It's actually a super easy fix. You simply divide your scripts across multiple time-driven triggers, or you just split your URLs across different sheets. You still get the complete, full audit, and it's still 100% free.
To truly make this a hands-off experience, you can bypass manual clicks entirely by setting up a time-driven trigger in AppScript. You essentially create a master script that executes in this exact, specific order. First, it grabs the fresh sitemap. Second, it deletes the old data. Third, it runs all of your SEO checks. And finally, it triggers a send email function. And all of this culminates in a beautiful PDF report sent straight to your inbox daily, weekly, or monthly without you ever lifting a finger.
Finally, Part 5, using AI for custom scripts. Let's write some missing code.
The days of scouring random forums hunting for code snippets are over. As the sources highlight, you can leverage tools like ChatGPT to completely supercharge your app script creation. If you need a hyper-specific check for your exact website, AI can write that exact script for you in seconds.
But here's the catch. The secret is all in the structure. To get flawless code, you have to explicitly dictate the domain, the exact user agents, the target directories, and the sitemaps. Look, vague prompts are going to get you buggy code. Structured prompts, those get you perfect automation.
Being extremely explicit about your spreadsheet architecture is key here. You need to tell the AI exactly which tab to check, exactly which column holds the URLs, and what to do with the output. You can even dictate the conditional formatting, like tell the AI to paint a cell green if it returns a 200 status code, and to only send you an email notification if a specific check fails. That level of detail is what ensures your AI-generated script works perfectly on the very first try.
By combining the hidden power of Google Apps Script with the coding abilities of modern AI, you now have a custom-built, fully automated, completely free technical SEO crawler. It constantly monitors your site's health and lands right in your inbox exactly when you need it. And most importantly, it frees you up to do the actual strategy work that moves the needle.
So I'll leave you with this to think about. What manual, ridiculously repetitive task is just draining your energy right now? Go ahead, open a new tab, type in sheets.new, and build your very first cheat code script today. What will you automate first?